Hey everybody, Tim here doing an unboxing of a pretty big package I received today that has some Hot Wheels in it. I'm going to show you guys what's in here. This is my first big unboxing in a pretty long time. So let me get it open here. I'm going to get started. I have a blue card in here too, but there's a reason why I bought that blue card. I'm going to show you guys what's in here real quick. Hold on one second. All right, let me get this open. This is the Dodge Charger stock car. This is from 2008. Go-Kart. Buick Riviera from 2007. 69 Mustang. This particular casting eluded me for the longest time, and I kept finding it, and it was just really expensive, and I couldn't get it. And finally, I found that it was actually in a good price, so that's good. I finally found this. And then the Aston Martin DB5. Let me get this one open. So let's see what's in here. This is the Hummer H2. Shelby GT500 67. Ford F100. Dodge Charger Drift. Chevy Pro Stock Truck. Let me get another one of these open. This one has the blue card in it. Well, I wouldn't say it's really technically a blue card. Great Gatspeed. Off Track. I don't believe I have this. The Best Tires in the World Goodyear Blimp. And the Ford Ranchero. That one's not the Zamac version though. That's a different version from the Zamac one, which I got not that long ago from that guy who had all that cheap stuff. 56 Ford F100. Again in purple this time. Plymouth Brutalistic. We have one more, and what is this? This is the Super Smooth. And then we have this 5-pack. And that's going to be it, guys, for my review today for the Hot Wheels box I got. Thank you, and have a good day, guys.